Alright folks, buckle up because Garmin just shook the smartwatch world in a way nobody saw coming. Yesterday, leaks were whispering, hey, maybe the Fenix 8 Pro is around the corner. Today, bam, two watches drop at once. Not just the standard Fenix 8 Pro, but also a micro-LED version that's basically a spaceship on your wrist. Everyone thought micro-LED was months away, reserved for some mysterious future model. But Garmin apparently said, why wait? Let's blow minds now. Quick break, if you're the kind of person who drools over every tech leak, smash that subscribe button. It's cheaper than Garmin's $9.99. We'll save your life if you're lost in the forest plan. Here's the deal. Garmin's website accidentally gave away the goods. In their navigation menus, two unreleased watches flashed briefly, like, hey, peek at me. The Fenix 8 Pro promises an SOS button on your wrist. Yes, an actual help, I'm stuck on a mountain button. And then there's the micro-LED, officially claiming the title of Brightest Smartwatch ever made. Product pages weren't live, but seeing those cards appear is basically Garmin waving, coming soon peasants. So what's new with the Fenix 8 Pro? LTE and satellite messaging baked right in. Basically, even if your phone dies or you go off grid to pretend you're Bear Grylls, you can still send messages, share your location, or scream for help. Leaks hint at a $9.99 monthly subscription in Europe. Yep, another subscription, but if you value survival, it's probably cheaper than hiring a helicopter. Now hold on to your hiking boots for the micro-LED version. This isn't just a brighter screen, it's a I can read this in a desert sunlight kind of display. It's efficient, sips battery like a gentle tea, and could stretch your smartwatch endurance by hours, maybe days. LTE, satellite support, all still there. Sensors and casing, pretty much the same, because honestly, why mess with perfection? Rumors say it will only come in 51mm, which screams premium, luxury, flex watch vibes. Think less Mark series, more I climbed Everest and my watch survived. Pricing? Well, the regular Fenix 8 Pro should start around $800, the micro-LED anywhere from $1,200 to nearly $2,000. So if you want bragging rights and the ability to read your stats in the Sahara, be ready to pay the price. Officially, the Fenix 8 Pro comes in 47mm and 51mm, while micro-LED sticks to 51mm titanium. Yes, titanium, because why not make your wrist feel like a superhero? Both feature LTE, satellite calls, location sharing, SOS, basically everything except brewing you coffee on a trail. And that micro-LED display? 4,500 nits. Sunlight, meet your match. Pre-orders kick off September 8th, 2025. Actual shipping? Garmin is keeping that under wraps, probably to keep us all anxiously refreshing their website like caffeinated squirrels. So the big question, are you going regular Pro and play it safe, or are you going full micro-LED and show off that ultra-bright, ridiculously overpowered screen to the world? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more leaks, hot takes, and tech chaos delivered straight to your notifications. Peace, and may your battery last longer than your weekend hikes.